4-year-old Alvin learns and laughs differently from his age mates. He began speaking fluently much later than his peers, gets restless when excited, and struggles with loud sounds. He was diagnosed by a therapy center in Benin City less than 3 years ago. His mother says she always knew something was amiss.
Before he could not say any word, like could not communicate verbally. If you ask him how are you, he can't tell you fine. What's your name? He can't say it.
Juggling business, caring for her special needs son, being a wife, and a mother to her 2 other children can sometimes feel overwhelming for Esohe. But over time, she has found ways to cope. Watching her son improve has been a huge motivation.
They don't have speech therapy at UBTH, so they now introduced us, gave us a number that we call, that those ones, they have speech therapy. The last time we went there, all the questions the doctor asked him, he was able to answer. Brother, where are you? Good job!
Autism Spectrum Disorder is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects how individuals communicate, interact socially, and process information. The World Health Organization estimates that 1 in 100 children globally are on the spectrum. Yet, in Nigeria, there is no official national data and stigma remains widespread. Therapy is crucial, but expensive. Yet, consistent therapy is essential for improving long-term outcomes and quality of life.
Therapy is not cheap, and so that's why parents who would I've loved to have their kids in therapy, but because of shortage of funds, they're not able to do that. But if the government comes in to play a role in supporting whether private institutions or even creating public institutions, that would also drop the fee, because that way, if it's subsidized, materials are subsidized, then the care, a lot of people will have even more access to this care.
In regular schools, the challenge is even more glaring. Many autistic children are denied admission or are bullied into silence by their classmates. Despite the nearly 5 million residents in Edo State, there are only a few private therapy centers for autism with limited government-funded options. The State Commissioner for Health says awareness campaigns are ongoing and access to affordable care will soon improve.
We live in a country where most of our autistic children are kept in their homes and making them, so to say, looking useless. But we want people to understand that these people have their certain ability.
In many classrooms across Nigeria, children on the autism spectrum are often overlooked, not because they cannot learn, but because the system isn't built to support them. Many are often overlooked, misunderstood, mislabeled, and even sometimes entirely ignored. But as education reforms take shape, the question now is, will these changes include the children whose voices are rarely heard? In Edo, for News Central, Amenze, Bazuaye.